In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a note to a lead in Lemlist. So first, open up your Lemlist dashboard. Then in the left panel, go to Campaigns. Then next is open up your campaign. Now from Campaign Statistics, click on Leads in Campaign to open up your lead list. Then find the lead you want to update and just click on their name to open up their profile. Then next is click on this add note button, usually at the top of their profile. So it looks like a paper with pencil icon. So just click on it to start adding a note. And here, all you have to do is type your message or reminder. And once done, click on add note. And once done, it should be attached to the lead's profile for future reference. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!